Ew. Whoops. That was the right thing. Oh no. We're good. What is going on, guys? How's everyone doing today? Happy New Year, the first video of 2020. Hopefully the first of many. I kind of really just want to pick up the pace a little bit with the uploads. I can't make any promises, but I really just want to get on the grind of making videos. I don't know how well I'm going to be doing that, but fingers crossed things work out and then our upload schedule can be a little more frequent, because I've been doing like 1 month uploads and I feel really bad. But hope you guys enjoyed the new year. Hope you guys were safe. Hope you enjoyed Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever you celebrated during the holiday season. Spent time with family, had a great time. But today we have some more parts for the WRX. We have Cobb parts. This one isn't really that important. It's something that I felt like needed changed. I don't know if I needed to replace it, but it's a little squished, and I'll show you guys in just a second what I am talking about. But probably the main portion of this video is this right here. I decided to pull the trigger on an aftermarket pitch stop mount just because, you know, it's probably the only thing that I haven't replaced. Well, I haven't replaced multiple things on my car just yet, but this one I felt like needed replaced because everywhere I look up, the pitch stop mount, like the stock one, is absolute crap. And considering the mileage on my motor, or on my car I should say, I feel like now is a good time than ever to do an aftermarket one. So I decided to pick up a Cobb one. I went with Cobb simply because I only have like 4 brands on my car. I have Glow Shift, Perrin, Nvidia, and Cobb. So I just wanted to keep with the theme going on. But yeah, this is it. This I don't know how easy it's going to be. I don't know how difficult it's going to be. By the looks of it, it's like 2 bolts. I know it's under the top mount intercooler, and I know for that it's like a couple of hoses and like 4 bolts. So fingers crossed it'll be easy. But as you can see, the garage is still a mess. I'm sorry. Hopefully I can hold this GoPro well enough, because I figured out in my editing that I hold my finger over one of these mics and it just creates bad audio, and I apologize for that. So I'm going to work on my best to hold this camera very well. But as you can see, the Evo's out, but we have a Jeep in. This is my brother's Jeep. I think a throw-up bearing went out or something like that. But you know it's not a good day when the torch is out for these vehicles. That's what you get for living in PA. Rusted bolts, rusted everything, and it's just not a good time. But this is the workspace we're working with, because everything's like a clutter right now. Don't mind those. I don't know how well you can see them, but those are for next video. As well as that, I'm not going to say much, but I told you guys I wasn't going to buy something, and well, stuff happened. I got it for a decent price, and you'll just have to wait for next video. It's something pretty exciting. Well, not really too exciting, but exciting for the way this build's going. So I'll leave it at that, but this is the space we're working with. Not much. I might just have to pull in the front end, and that's pretty much it. So without further ado, let's get the car in here and see what we can do. All right, so we got the car in here looking all good. The lighting is a little bit better than my other videos because I really just stopped caring about being secretive and like making videos. I'm getting a little more comfortable with that, so that's a good thing. But we have to take this bad boy off. This hunker, which I think it's 14s, 12s, and then these hoses, and then down right there on the, or right there on the compression side of the turbo, and then this is the piece that I told you guys about that really wasn't gonna be like an important piece. It's the throttle body coupler, and I don't know if you guys can see that too well, but it is a little smushed because I was having a leak right here, and I decided just to tighten the crap out of these hose clamps, and it just, I don't know, I don't like it, so I decided to replace it. But we got to take off some hoses. This is gonna be a pain because I really didn't tell you guys this hose cracked, and I kind of just tightened it beyond belief so it doesn't leak, but this might leak, and I'm really not looking forward to it, but fingers crossed everything goes well. Anyways, I need 14s, 12s, and something else. I'll figure it out, but let me get those real quick. All right, so I got the 12 and I got the 14, and somehow I found it super quick. I usually never find sockets that quick before, but hopefully that's a good sign. But we have to take this off real quick. Just 2 simple 14 mils. Should come off fairly simple. That's off. And then it's 2 more 12 millimeters on the sides. Simple enough. 1. Oh, this one's a bugger. 2. Done. Now, this hose. Oh. Why is that on so tight? Holy crap. Screwdrivers never fail. Holy crap. Oh. 1. I never had this much trouble taking this off before, so it's kind of alarming. There we go. Don't mind my mini screwdriver. Oh. Hopefully it doesn't leak. There we go. I think this does open up because like I had trouble. All right, it's off. I may have to jerry rig it, but it's off. Okay, it did snap. Not really a big deal because I was expecting it to, but we have a couple hose clamps. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna get a drill. Guaranteed it has to be one of these. Nope. Nope. Rip. Let's not use it. Let's use old-fashioned flathead screwdrivers. This is the fun part. Don't mind this. But now you just wiggle it. I might need 2 hands for this, but you just wiggle it until it comes off. That's basically the secret we are going with. So I need 2 hands for this. Hopefully it comes out. There we go. I'm tired. I'm hot. Oh, crap. Come on. I know you're loose. No! Okay. Oh wow, this is worse than I thought. As you can see here, pitch stop mount, right here. It's very flimsy. Like I can literally flex it and move it side to side. But this right here is the coupler to my throttle body. Now, I really didn't realize how bad this was until I took it off. As you can see, it's very worn, really worn. But if you turn it to the inside, this was blocking. Now it might not be much air, but the inside was definitely blocking some air, and I don't know if it affected my motor or if it's going to make a change by fixing this. Well, obviously it's going to make a change, but I don't know how bad that was, like almost suffocating my motor. But this definitely needed change. I know it said in the beginning of the video that this didn't need changed, or it might have not been, might have not been. Woo! I may have not needed to change this. Words. Okay. But I'm glad that we picked up a new one because this is no bueno. But I don't know what these bolts are. It looks like one bolt here that might be a 14, and there's no nut on this side, but this indeed does have a nut. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but this is a nut and bolt. This is basically just a bolt. So let's work on getting this out. I'm hoping this is a good angle because I don't know where there would be a good spot to put you guys, but okay, are they both 14? They might be both 14. I'm stupid. 14 wrench, 14 socket. Let's get it. Brother. Okay. Come on, please come off fairly easy. There we go. There we go. Oh. Where'd that go? Oh, there's a washer that goes with it. There's two washers. Found it. Oh, lost it. Okay, now this should be a 14 mil. Yep, yes sir. Yes sir. Oh wow. Oh. That's a little tighter than I thought. If you're wondering why I'm tightening it, I'm trying to loosen it so I don't snap it. So if I snap it, I'm gonna be livid. I want to snap this. I really don't. Just try some. Oh, there we go. Yep, there we go. Ooh, that was not on loosely. Dang, that's a honker. All right. Cool. I just hit my GoPro. Where'd you guys go? Oh. Damn it. Oops. Sorry about that. Okay, so we finally got the old pitch stop mount out. As you can see, it's really just rubber and some bushings here and there. Let me adjust it because I don't want to be covering a mic, but it's kind of crap. Look how thin it is. It's really not the best quality. And then you move on to this beefy unit. So obviously there's a little bit of an upgrade here. I don't know how well it's going to fit because there might be some hammering. I'm not going to say much hammering, but like obviously, oh no, the front needs a little bit of persuasion. It's a little tight, so I might need a rubber mallet to hit it in, but that's good. That looks oh so nice, even though you're not going to see it. Hopefully you'll see it sometime. Not going to be soon, because obviously what do I need a front mount intercooler for? But that looks nice. Happy it went in fairly smoothly. But let me work on bolting it in, seeing how it fits and all that sort of stuff. I don't want to, you know, force it too much, but I will get that in very shortly. All right. How's that? How's that? Oh, look at the precision. Look at the Look at the Where's the hole? Oh, there. Oh, Bessie. Oh, I broke something. Is that in? Please tell me it's in. Please tell me it's in. Nope. This is a long nut. Cool, now Cobb is in. Now we get to put this throttle body coupler on. I kind of want to do a comparison real quick. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to do this with one hand, but you can clearly see one is kind of inflated and squished, and the other one looks oh so nice. You can also see right there, that's the inside like coming up, and look at that. Perfectly nice and uniform. So a little bit of tip, I don't know if you guys do this, maybe you don't, maybe you do, but when I put my hose clamps on, I like to tend to put them on like this, like where I can access them. So like in case I decide to take them off again, they're easy accessible, because obviously some manufacturers and whoever put these cars together decided to put some hose clamps upside down so you can't reach them. So help yourself out a little bit, put them to where you can reach them, and then you won't have trouble reaching them again. So what I want to do is I want to put this, there we go. Put the Cobb on like that so you can see it nice and fine. Like, I forgot to put a hose clamp on. Oh geez. All right, this is awkward. All right, so everything is installed on the WRX. As you can see here, the coupler is put in. I did end up just putting that piece that broke off and then tightening this hose clamp. Now I will be warming up the car, seeing if there's any leakage. I'm not just gonna run the car like that. I'm gonna make sure everything is safe and sound, but everything's put back together. Everything's sound, fingers crossed. I don't know if I'm gonna be giving you guys a review or my opinion on the Cobb pitch stop mount, and or if this coupler made a change, because you could tell this thing is not in good condition. So you might have to wait for next video. I kind of just want to drive the car around a little bit, give it a little bit of a feel, if you will. So yeah, you're just gonna have to stay tuned for my opinion on both these installs, and next video is going to be a video to look out for. I gave you guys a little bit of a teaser just then earlier in this video, but it's something that like I said, I told you guys I wasn't going to buy, ended up buying anyway. So hope you guys are excited for that. It won't be a month. I'm not going to wait a month and then upload videos, so you guys don't have to worry about that. But I will be uploading this video Friday, which is the 9th. I think it's going to be the 9th. It's currently Monday. I'm going to upload it Friday, so I don't know if it's going to be next week or 2 weeks from now, depending on when I can install said parts. Yes, I did say parts, but anyways, guys, that's going to end it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave it a like. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. We are in 2020. Hopefully this will be our best year yet. Make sure you make it your best year ever. Make sure you make it your best day ever. Anyways, guys, I'm not going to make it a motivational speech, but I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see each and every one of you in my next upload. Hey, first off, if you made it this far in the video, you're a real one. Second, here's a sneak peek in my next video.